pre-K friends. I'm going to take you on a nature hike today with my family. I'm going to introduce everybody. We have Erin.
Hi.
My husband, Mike.
Hi.
Gracie in the back.
Hi.
Emma.
Hi.
And Michael.
Hi.
We hope to find some frogs, maybe some ducks. Who knows, maybe some bugs. Other creatures. We don't know what we're going to find yet, but we're going to go on this fun nature hike with you. We can't wait. There's some geese, and look at the babies. And then right over there on that log are 2 turtles just sunbathing. This is a marshy kind of swamp area that a lot of animals live in. And birds. We've been hearing a lot of different birds. Don't know if you can hear it on the video. Here are some deer tracks we found on the trail. I'm sure some of you guys have seen these already. Maybe around your house. It's always fun to go on a nature hike and look for different signs of different animals. And that's what my family and I are doing right now. If we find any more, we will video it. Here is a hole.
All we gotta do is get
some
on
kind
that.
of animal, maybe a chipmunk. I don't know what's in there. But it's some animal's home. Or at least the door to its home. Here are the roots of an uprooted tree. It fell and all the roots came right out of the ground. So these are normally under the ground. So you get to see the roots of a tree. There's the rest of the tree. It's been here for a bit. Got some moss growing on it. Okay, we found a little pond. It's called Turtle Pond. We don't know if we'll see turtles, but do you see anything else moving? Oh, there's a bug right there. It was a beetle going under the water. I see a lot of plants moving. Let's see if we can find turtles.
He's almost a frog. Yeah.
We found a tadpole. Oh, he's hard to see. He's not moving. He stopped moving. Where is he now? Oh, I see him. He's way down there.
Is there another thing over there?
He's on the stick under the water.
Oh wait, that looks like that though.
No,
That's a tadpole. I can't.
Just not you?
No. Look closely. And let me know if you see the creatures crawling down there. The ones that I thought were plants before. Okay, there's baby tadpoles swimming in there. If you can see, look real close. They're really small. They look like a little seed with a tail. He's popping out. Yep, he's making the bubble. He looks kind of like a fish, but he's not. find some more pond critters along the water and in the water. I hear birds. I don't know if you can hear them. Found more geese and their babies. We're staying far away because we don't want to frighten them, because the mommy and the daddy will protect their babies. So we're giving them a lot of space. And we're watching them go back into the water. Gotta remember, this is their home. We're just here walking through, but this is where they live. So we have to be respectful. I zoomed the camera in. I'm not really this close. We're still pretty far back. See how furry the baby ducks are? They don't have feathers like their parents yet. They're born with furry feathers.
No, it's the back. The outer one's it's the outer one.
Well, we found a little stream with this little waterfall. And it has a really big, like little swimming pool down there, if you can see that. It's like a little swimming pool. Found a frog. You see him? He's like the frog I caught on the playground. There he is. Hi friends, I hope you enjoyed walking on a nature trail with me and my family. Please leave a comment on the comment section of the video, letting us know what your favorite animal was, your favorite moment in the trail was, and we hope that you can get out and check out nature when the weather is nice. Bye.